morning, my dear children. I hope you all are safe. Stay home, stay healthy, Nana. Today we are going to learn about rhymes. About rhymes. Okay. UKG. Class is UKG. Okay, children. Very soon FA1 exams is coming up. So be careful to read at home, my dear children. Okay. Okay. Now let us start that rhyme. Ready, children? You have to repeat with me, but keep it mute. Just with the action. Okay. Listen carefully. Observe it. See this here. Keep it. Keep it two hands like this. मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. చూడండి ना, listen carefully. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी. అర్థమవుతుందా వాయిస్? हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है. लिसन केयरफुली चिल्ड्रन. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. ओके. पानी में डालो तैर जाएगी, पानी में डालो तैर जाएगी. ओके चिल्ड्रन. मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, पानी सॉरी जीवन उसका पानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. तैर पानी में डालो तैर जाएगी, पानी में डालो तैर जाएगी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द राइम फॉर यू टुडे. मछली जल की रानी है. व्हाट इज दैट? मछली जल की रानी है. Okay children, ready? Once again I repeat it. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, ऊपर निकालो मर जाएगी. पानी में डाल तो तैर जाएगी, पानी में डाल तो तैर जाएगी. Okay children, I hope you all are understand. Now we are going to learn about GK. About GK children today. What is the national vegetable of India? GK children. Now first one is, what is the national vegetable of India? What is the national vegetable of India? Answer is, tell me, anyone say the answer? Pumpkin. Answer is pumpkin. Okay children, what is the national vegetable of India? Pumpkin. Next, what is the national river of India? Second one is, what is the national river of India? Yes, tell me. Very good. Ganga. Answer is Ganga. Very good. Ganga. A. Ganga. What is the national vegetable of India? Pumpkin. Second one is, what is the national river of India? Ganga. Next, third one. What is the motto of Indian national emblem? What is the motto of Indian national? Very good. Indian national. Not like that. Aventi దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? Indian national emblem. Indian national emblem. Answer is Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. Answer is Satyameva Jayate. Okay children, వినండమ్మా జాగ్రత్తగా. What is the national vegetable of India? Pumpkin. What is the national river of India? Ganga. Third one. What is the motto of Indian national emblem? Satyameva Jayate. Okay? Satyameva Jayate. I will send a screenshot also children. So that's why I will erase it. Then no problem. Go this clear? Next. Fourth one. What is the national animal of India? What is the national animal of India? Tell me, already you know that. What? Yes. What is the national animal? Not like that. National animal. Yes. What is the national animal? What is our national animal? Very good. What is the national animal of India? Very good. Answer is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Next. Fifth one. What is the national calendar of India? What is the national calendar of India? Tell me children, anyone? What is the national calendar of India? For example, A. Hindu calendar, B. Saka calendar, C. Vikram Samvat, C. Gregorian calendar. Answer is Saka calendar. Answer is Saka calendar. Okay. See this children. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. Fifth one. What is the national calendar of India? Saka calendar. Okay. Once again I repeat that. What is the national vegetable of India? A. Pumpkin. Answer is pumpkin. Next. What is the national river of India? Ganga. Answer is Ganga. What is the motto of Indian national emblem? Satyameva Jayate. What is the motto of national emblem? Tell me. Satyameva Jayate. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. What is the national calendar of India? Saka calendar. Okay children, I hope you are understand. Thank you very much children. Must and should practice at home. Very soon exams is coming now. That's why. Okay. Thank you.